Nice, it's actually adding our diamonds and our coins, guys. It works amazing. Yo people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can get unlimited coins and diamonds in your DLS 25 game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. I will show you everything step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test does it actually work. So guys, go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys, and first one is DLS. Click there, and then we will have to enter our DLS 25 user ID, guys. If you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find it and copy your info from DLS 25 and you will get extracted there. So I have copied my info and it will automatically scrape your user ID, so just paste there and click continue. So it should search for our account, guys. Nice, as you can see, user found. So guys, second step is to select our coins and diamonds amount. I will select 9 million, it's currently the maximum, and let's click continue. So let's wait a little bit so this API connects. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel Mighty Reds for more content like this, and for more reviews. I might review more websites. So guys, we will test everything. So nice, as you can see, API is connected, our user account is connected, and we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our coins and diamonds in our DLS 25. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, complete literally what you like. So from this list I will complete this TikTok and this domino dreams, guys. So it's pretty simple how you can complete this. Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading. If you're downloading app or game, it will start downloading from App Store if you're using your iOS devices, and if you're using your Android devices, it will start downloading from Google Play Store. So guys, just click free, as I said, click go, and it will start downloading, and you will have to complete their instructions. So it's really important step, guys. So for TikTok, I will download, install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much what will I do now. See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Domino Dreams, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. Let's wait together. It should redirect us every single second. I won't skip this video, so let's wait together. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and diamonds are on the way, guys. Our user ID, our coins and our diamonds are sent. So guys, let's open our DLS 25 and let's see will we actually receive our amount of diamonds and our amount of coins. So nice, it's actually adding our diamonds and our coins, guys. It works amazing. As you can see, we got DLS 25 unlimited diamonds and coins. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all next tutorials and reviews. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.